children, yesterday we wrote the meanings. Hope you wrote one more time as homework. Today we are writing some question answers. Okay, first bit of question answers. Read these lines from the text and answer the questions. Means what you should do. If you read the textbook, you will get some sentences. For example, just then Miss Jones interrupted his thoughts. Under this sentence, two questions are given. What thoughts was William having? William was having the thought of inviting his friends for tea party. What did Mrs. Jones why did Miss Jones interrupt him? Miss Jones interrupted him because he was lost in his thoughts without concentrating on her teaching. Yes or no? That way we have to write this. So today we are writing these type of questions. Understand? After that, if time permits, we will go for detailed question answers. So I am writing with the sentence, question, everything. So heading is read these lines. Excuse me children, 1 minute. So we are writing these three such type of questions. Heading is read these lines from the text and answer the questions. And answer the questions. So, first line goes like this. First line is, just then Miss Jones interrupted his thoughts. We will write together this word instead of writing like that. Was interrupted his thoughts. This was the line taken from the lesson. Under it, first question A goes like this. What thoughts was William having? Understand, what thoughts was William having? Okay, what thoughts was William having? Answer, William was having thoughts William was having thoughts about inviting his friends for tea party. So you know very well. He asks his father for the permission to invite his friends. Father says, no, of course not. Then with that same thought, how it would be nice if I call my friends for the party. Thinking about it, he went to the school. And in the school also, he was thinking about the same. So just then when his teacher stops him from his thoughts. So what thoughts he had in his mind? William was having thoughts about inviting his friends for tea party. This is A. B was why did Miss Jones interrupt him? Why did Miss Jones interrupt him? She interrupted him because he did not concentrate on her teaching. On her teaching. So, why did Miss Jones interrupt him? She interrupted him because he did not concentrate on her teaching. Okay, these are the two questions based on this line. Just then Miss Jones interrupted his thoughts. What thoughts was William having? William was having thoughts about inviting his friends for tea party. Why did Miss Jones interrupt him? She interrupted him because he did not concentrate on her teaching. Understand? So let us go to the second line from the lesson. Okay? Second one, they all accepted the invitation. They all accepted the invitation. They all accepted the invitation is the line taken from the lesson. Based on that, first question is, who accepted the invitation? Here they give two questions. What were they invited to? We will take it as second question. Okay, who accepted the invitation? Our answer is William's friends accepted the invitation. William's friends accepted the invitation. Who accepted the invitation? William's friends accepted the invitation. B. What were they invited to? What were they invited to? Answer is they were invited to the tea party. They were invited to the tea party. What were they invited to? They were invited to the tea party. See, what happened when they turned up for the invitation? What happened when they turned up for the invitation? Our answer is what happened when they turned up for the invitation? What happened? William's cook did not allow them inside the house. She bolted the doors and fastened the windows. William's cook or the cook in William's house, the cook in William's house did not allow them inside the house. That's enough. Inside the house. The cook in William's house did not allow them inside the house. So what did she do? She closed all the doors and windows of the house. So this is second. They all accepted the invitation. Who accepted the invitation? William's friends accepted the invitation. What were they invited to? They were invited to the tea party. What happened when they turned up for the invitation? The cook in William's house did not allow them inside the house. So better you write on each page one set of questions. First sentence on one page, second sentence on one page, and third one is there, that also on other page. So it looks neat. Simple questions these are. Okay, now third one. My father doesn't understand English grammar. Who said these words to whom? First question. My father doesn't understand English grammar. In that first A1, who said these words to whom? Answer is William said these words to his friend who came late, who came for the party who came at the end of the party. So, who said these words to whom? William said these words to his friend who came at the end of the party. While all were leaving, she came. Why did the speaker think that? Why did the speaker think that father did not understand English grammar. Answer is because he meant negative because he gave negative response to William by saying no, of course not. So he said, no, of course not. He did not give the permission. But when he went to the school, his teacher said, if two negatives, no and not, comes in the sentence, it gives positive sense. But according to his father, it was negative. That's why he thought his father does not know any English grammar. So these are the three sets of questions based on the sentences in the lesson. So today you copy all these properly. For each sentence and questions, under it 2 or 3 questions, you take one page in your notebook so that it will be neat. So children, that's it, simple thing today. Tomorrow we are going for other question answers and some other grammar work. That's it for today. Thank you.